Have you ever dreamt of worlds beyond your own? Felt ancient stories resonate within your soul? Tonight, we invite you to explore the hidden stage within, the collective unconscious. Carl Jung, a maverick of the mind, unveiled this vast realm where shared patterns, myths, and archetypes like the hero dance across cultures and centuries. Step onto the grand stage of the collective unconscious.
In the heart of Zurich, a brilliant mind named Carl Jung wrestled with the mysteries of the human psyche. He had broken free from the shadow of Freud, venturing beyond individual experience to explore the depths of a shared human inheritance, the collective unconscious. Jung's journey began with dreams. He observed how, across cultures and continents, dreams echoed with similar themes, motifs, and characters. The wise old man, the devouring mother, the trickster. These figures, though cloaked in local garb, whispered of a shared ancestral memory, a vast reservoir of unconscious knowledge older than civilization itself.
From Egypt to Indian, from Greece to China, the same archetypes dance in the theater of the unconscious, revealing a hidden layer of the psyche preloaded with universal patterns.
He discovered the persona, the social mask we wear to navigate the world with ease. But beneath the persona lurked the shadow, the repository of all we deem unacceptable, a wild and untamed beast yearning for integration.
The shadow holds our repressed desires, our anxieties, and our darkness. Confronting it is not about burying it deeper, but integrating it into a wholeness that embraces both light and shade.
Then came the anima animus, the archetype of the opposite sex within, an internal guide to the wisdom and power we often project onto others. Through its lens, Jung explored the complexities of relationships, urging men to embrace their feminine intuition and women to cultivate their inner masculine strength.
Though anima and animus remind us that wholeness lies not in rigid gender roles, but in balancing the masculine and feminine within, acknowledging the inner wisdom of both.
Across continents and centuries, the same stories whisper on the wind. The hero faces dragons, the trickster dances in shadows, the mother cradles and consumes, the old man seeks wisdom in the stars. These are not mere tales, but echoes of ancient knowledge, archetypes woven into the tapestry of human experience.
The collective unconscious, a vast stage where these primal patterns play out. We see them in myths and rituals, in the rise and fall of empires, in the art that stirs our souls. They are the threads that bind us together, the shared inheritance that whispers in our dreams and fuels our aspirations.
In the vastness of the human story, we are all players on this grand stage, bound by the archetypes that whisper within. Through understanding them, we can embrace our individual journeys and contribute to the collective evolution of our species. Jung's vision of the self, the archetype of wholeness and unity, became his guiding star. He urged us towards individuation, the process of integrating all our disparate parts into a single, luminous consciousness.
Individuation is not about becoming perfect, but about embracing our unique complexities, reconciling our shadows, and becoming the truest versions of ourselves.
Even in the digital age, the echoes of Jungian archetypes resonate. The hero's journey is played out in video games, the anima animus dances within online relationships, and the collective unconscious finds expression in viral memes and shared anxieties.
The digital world may seem like a new frontier, but the same old archetypes play out within its pixels and circuits. Recognizing them allows us to navigate this age with awareness and authenticity.
Jung's influence stretched beyond psychology. In art, the surrealists embraced his dream symbolism. In literature, James Joyce and James Weldon Johnson echoed his archetypal explorations. Even Hollywood, with its tales of heroes and villains, mirrored Jung's inner theater.
Within the darkness, light awaits. The unconscious is not merely a repository of shadows, but a treasure trove of archetypal wisdom.
Jung's metaphysical leanings offer profound lessons for a world teetering on the brink. His vision of the self, encompassing both light and shadow, reminds us that wholeness lies not in rejecting our darkness, but in embracing it as part of our shared human fabric.
We are not isolated islands, but interconnected branches of the same vast tree, Recognizing our shared archetypal heritage fosters empathy, understanding, and a collective journey towards wholeness.
Jung's invitation is clear. Dive into the depths of your psyche, confront your shadow, embrace your individuality, and join the ongoing odyssey towards wholeness. For in the depths of the human soul, a spark of the divine awaits, whispering of a future where collective wisdom illuminates the path towards a more interconnected and conscious humanity.
The journey to the self is not for the faint of heart, but it is ultimately a journey towards freedom, authenticity, and a deeper understanding of who we truly are.